I was delighted to participate in the LM in Bruges. I gained a lot of insights from this event. The voice of patients with lupus carries significant power and influence in various aspects of healthcare. Patients raised awareness about lupus by sharing their stories, experiences, and challenges. We can observe how patient voice helps educate the public, policymakers, and healthcare professionals about the impact of lupus on individuals and society. By participating in PAN, focus groups, or advocacy organizations, patients can provide inputs of research that matters to all of us, such as identifying new treatments, improving quality of life, or addressing unmet needs in lupus care. As patients, we voice our treatment preferences, concerns about side effects, and overall quality of life priorities, leading to more personalized and patient-centered care. By sharing patients' journeys and supporting each other as patients, we created a strong community that empowers and shares valuable information. I'm very thankful for the opportunity to participate in this event. Of course, a special thanks to our lupus patients, speakers that caused a real storm of admiration.